I wish you a very happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year 2021. As we embark on yet another new year, it is natural that you are excited to learn about what the upcoming year look like for you. Today, we will talk about the forecast for natives of Pisces zodiac. Before we start, let me tell you characteristics of Pisces. Generally, the personality of Pisces is naughty, bubbly, and full of energy. A lot of their behavior and activity depends on their mood. Let's talk about job and profession business forecast. This year is certainly very positive in terms of career and returns. Your colleagues will support you and you will strengthen your working relationship with your supervisors. You can start a new business between 5th of March to 14th of April. This period will be good for profit. For a change in job, the period from 4th of April to 18th of May will be fruitful and you can get dream job in this period also. You should note that do not change your job before 4th of April. The period between 29th of August to 2nd December could prove ideal for startups. Now let's talk about financial forecast. When it comes to your financial situation, things seem to be mixed. You will strengthen your financial situation. However, you will see yourself spending on things you desire which might make it slightly difficult to save. Property related disputes will be closed in your favor. The time between 1st of January to 22nd of February and 26th May to 3rd of June could be some ideal period for investment in property. Now let's talk about your family life, love life and relationship. This will be a fairly peaceful year as you will see your sibling do well in their prospective career. You will receive some good returns on property. Your parents may be relieved of a long time illness. You will be very stress free by virtue of which your relationship with your spouse will strengthen. Your children will also taste success, especially between 4th of June to 8th of August. Now let's talk about education. When it comes to education, this year will see you on a bumpy ride full of struggles. However, you can accomplish your goals by focusing on hard work with smart study also. Students attempting for competitive examinations will be successful. You will get unexpected result of your hard work, especially during the period of 22nd of February to 13th of April and after 10th October to 20th November. Now let's talk about health forecast. This year will prove to be better than the last in terms of health. Stay cautious, especially during the period of 22nd of February to 13th of April and 10th October to 20th November. You must focus on your health and, if possible, indulge in yoga and a disciplined routine. Now let's talk about travel forecast. Coming to travel, things do not seem extremely hopeful. However, you may travel with family or friends between 4th of February to 8th of March. There is a foreign trip planned for you and you will go for unexpected foreign trip between 15th of April to 8th of July. Finally, I would like to propose some remedies by which you could have a wonderful and harmonious year ahead. If you are a Vedic spiritual believer, then you could offer jasmine oil and vermilion to Lord Hanuman on Tuesdays. You could also wear emerald in gold in last finger. Offer food at the orphanage home. Drink water from copper vessel. Offer sweet rice daily to birds. Sit facing the north direction. Overall, the year seems mixed for Pisceans and they can expect their dreams to come true. This was a generalized forecast and hence, if you want a full-fledged prediction, contact us for a telephonic appointment or video conference also and know all about how 2021 is going to be for you. Wishing you a happy and prosperous 2021. Namaskar, take care, best of luck. Thanks a lot.